Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download your GRASSLITE node extension on your mobile device. So I'm going to go to my Chrome browser again. We go to our Chrome browser again, search for the GRASSLITE node extension. Once you click on it, yes, you can say go to this extension download, and you can just install from your Google Web Store, or you can download it directly from your save file, or you can download directly from your save file. Because I already have it on my phone, I'm not going to download it. So you can install it directly from your Google Web Store, or you can download it directly. Just click on the save file or click on the CIP file, then you'll be able to download it easily on your mobile phone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys.